This is the snap show, the opposite of fish, you know? Where are the Snake Brothers? Why should you know? Don't tell me. Don't tell me. They're at Tyson and Crocodile's house. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me! Everybody wonders what those noises are. Tell me about it. What do you guys think it is, Snake Brothers?
We don't know.
Gratitude? There you are. What have you done to their brain? Nothing. So I should never, ever, ever mess with those two cuddly little brains. Okay. Now tell me what you did to their brains, or else. We told them the sounds of dog noises.
Get out of the room like you wanted us to.
Good. It's all over now.
When you said you had somebody, did you really mean it, Snow?
Yep. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.